Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you these easy purple eyes look with full glam. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start my face with the moisturizer. I'm using here Clinique Surge Hydrating Moisturizer. Now for the primer, I'm using Benefit's Pore Professional Primer. It's so good primer because it hides your pores and you have to just apply on your T-zone and all of your face. Now I'm starting with my eyebrows. I'm filling my eyebrows with the pencil, with the eyebrow pencil. Doing the other eyebrows the same thing. Here I'm using Benefit's Brow Gel. That's called Give Me Brow in number 3. Fix my brows. It won't move for whole day when you use that. Now for my primer, I'm using MAC paintrly primer. It's especially for eye primer. You can use any concealer if you like to prime your eyes. I have this primer, so I thought I'm just using that one. Just using the flat brush to spread on my eyelid. I like to use this primer on my upper eyebrow area. It looks my eyebrow more neat and clean. The same process I'm doing to my other eye. It's so important to set your eye primer. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using my James Charles palette and using this pink color right here onto my crease. Just putting the hot pink color onto my crease area. Just blending it in with the Zoeva brush. Doing the same thing to my other eye. I'm using this purple color, using the brush right here and putting it outer corner of my eye. I'm applying the same color, the same purple color onto my all over eyelid area. Now I'm using this pretty shimmery purple color. I'm taking it with my finger and putting it all over my eyelid. This is so pretty. Wiping it out the excess of the eyeshadows from my eye area. Now the eyes are done. I'm using this lash curler to curl my lashes. Done my falsies without camera. Here I'm using my Revlon eye pencil. I'm using it on my waterline. Here I'm using the Clinique mascara so that my natural lashes will mix to the falsies. For the color corrector, I'm using Stilla palette. I'm using this peach color corrector right here. I'm putting it on my eye area, under eye area. Today I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is the dewy one because I have dry skin. Now I'm blending it in my foundation with the damp beauty sponge. My beauty sponge is from Real Technique. Now I'm using the setting powder, which is from MAC. I'm just applying all over my face. Just pressing the powder in. Now using the concealer, which is Maybelline Fit Me concealer again. Highlighting the area, forehead, nose, chin, under eye area. Using the same damp beauty sponge and blending it in. For the blending, always use the pressing technique. Don't do the sweeping, otherwise you will take all the products out and your face will look like very cakey. Take your time for the blending. Now I'm using this brush and using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder again and applying under my eye area. It's so important after concealer, straight away you just put the setting powder. For contouring, I'm using Nepolean Perdis contour. This is the powder contour anyway. I'm using this brush right here. It's like an angular brush. I'm just pressing it in on all over my cheek, my forehead, wherever I like to contour, my nose and my jawline. I'm just blending it in with the same brush. For nose contour, I like to use the small kind of angular brush. It's very easy to blend if we use that kind of brush. Now I like to use, that the powder technique after your contouring. Here I'm using this small angular brush. I'm taking my James Charles palette again and using this pink and purple color on my waterline. I just like to use the same color. It looks so good, which one you applied for your eye. Now I'm just smudging it out, both of the colors, with this kind of brush. This brush is from Real Technique. For my brow bone highlighting, I'm using this color right here. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and with the same color I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well. Here is the inner corners. Now I'm wiping out the powder, which one I use for baking my cheeks. Using this pretty pinkish purplish blush from Tarte. I did my purple makeup today, so I like to use this kind of purple blush today. Putting it on apple of my cheeks. And this is the highlighter, which is from Tarte again. On my cheekbones. On my forehead, my nose. I like to use my finger to pop up my nose with the highlighter. It's so good. A little bit on my cupids. On my chin. I'm using this lip liner from L'Oreal. It's in the shade Plum to outline my lips. Using this pretty color right here from Revlon. It's some liquid lipstick. I'll put the name in the description box. Now I'm using my lip gloss, which is again from Revlon, and finishing up this look with the setting spray. And this is the final look, you guys. If you like this look, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.